Hello students, welcome to online classes from KV Rai Academy. I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss class 10 subject biology chapter 1 and the name of the chapter life processes. So this is chapter 1 life processes because according to government guideline due to COVID-19 there is bad situation. So with respect to that situation, from today I am going to start online classes as you inform already. So in chapter 1 I am explained in offline classes most of the things. After that we are continued in online classes. So today from this video I am going to tell you about heterotrophic nutrition. So heterotrophic nutrition, what things we are going to discuss about heterotrophic nutrition, let us see. So the mode of nutrition in which an organism obtains ready-made organic food. A mode of nutrition in which organism obtains its ready-made food from inorganic sources, from external sources, animals or their product is called heterotrophic nutrition. So heterotrophic nutrition in which organism obtains their food from inorganic sources, they are plant, animal and so on. This is called heterotrophic nutrition. All animals, fungi and many protists have heterotrophic nutrition. They are unable to synthesize their own food. They are unable to synthesize their own food, just like green plants, and the green plants are also called producers. So they are unable to synthesize their own food from inorganic compounds, and instead of depend on plant and other animals for their food. As organic nutrition are complex and insoluble. Organic nutrition are insoluble and complex. They are broken down into simple soluble substances with the help of enzymes. This process is called digestion. So breaking down of complex food into simple ones. Breaking down of complex food into simple ones are called digestion. So different heterotroph adopt different mode of nutrition. Let us see. Some organisms break down the food material outside the body and then absorb it, for example fungi like bread mold, yeast and mushrooms, so on. And some organisms ingest whole food and break it into inside the bodies. Some organisms ingest whole food and that whole food is broken down inside the body. Just like the type of food taken in and the way it is broken down depends on the body design and functioning of the body. There are some other organisms that derive their nutrition from plant, animal without killing them. There are some other organisms who derive their nutrition, the plant organism, without killing them. However, the organism may harm their host, but the parasitic nutrition, this parasitic nutrition method is used in various organisms like Cuscuta, that is also called amarvel, and leeches, ticks, tapeworm, etc. So there is another type of nutrition which don't kill the host, don't kill the organism from where they derive the nutrition. So that organism are called parasites. But after explaining heterotrophic nutrition, I'm going to tell you about differences between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So, in autotrophic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which food is synthesized from the inorganic substances. Mode of nutrition in which food is synthesized from inorganic substances are called autotrophic nutrition, and mode of nutrition in which food is synthesized from producer and another organism depend on them are called heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, chlorophyll and sunlight are required, and for the heterotrophic nutrition, chlorophyll and sunlight are not required. And lastly, I am going to tell you the difference between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. All green plants and some bacteria perform autotrophic nutrition, and all animals and fungi perform heterotrophic nutrition. So I think that this much enough. Thanks.